Hey, what's up, beauty? So in today's video I'm gonna be doing an updated removable quick weave unit, and that last video y'all loved it. It was super simple to do. It's basically like an easy wig, but this time, you know what I'm saying, I'm coming with a little remix. So I'm gonna try a bald cap removable quick weave. Only issue I had with that wig. Today's video is sponsored by Beauty Forever. They sent me some more hair. Y'all know I love Beauty Forever. I have 4 bundles and a closure of their body wave hair. I have an 18-inch, 2 20 inches, and a 22 inch, and I think my closure is like 18 inches as well. But y'all, this closure, like y'all already know I'm here for Beauty Forever closures. The closures are so wide, so it gives you like a lot of space to work with. This hair, y'all, is so freaking gorgeous. Y'all already know the bundles are like super thick. I always never use 4 bundles. 3 bundles, really like 2.5 bundles always do the job for me, because, well, first of all, I got a tiny head, so you might need 4 bundles if you got a big ass head, but for my little peanut head, I only need like 2.5 bundles, and it's always so full, so luscious and pretty all the way to the ends of the hair. So I love Beauty Forever. Y'all already know what to do. If you're interested in shopping with them, click those links down below. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. For a removable quick weave in general, you're gonna need a few things. One being like a dome cap or a spandex cap. You can get this from like any hair store or Sally's. You're gonna need some wig caps. You wanna make sure you get like your skin color. Okay, definitely gonna need your glue. Everybody always asks me what glue I use. Girl, just the regular glue, the only glue that's really out, the Salon Pro 30-second super bond hair bond glue, whatever. And since I'm trying to do this whole ball cap removable quick weave, I'm using the Got To Be Glue spray and the gel just to go ahead and get my cap, you know, get that cap laid, slayed, or whatever. So we starting with this closure. I already put my powder on it, so yeah, if you don't want to bleach your knots, powder, girl, powder does the job. I just use my Morph little Morph powder palette, and I just choose this color like closest to my skin tone and just dab it on there. And I actually need to put a little bit more because, so yeah, I'm just gonna add some more, and just like that. Yes, that closure, girl. I also plucked my closure, so that's all good to go and everything. And we about to get started, honey. Alright, so to start, you just want to go ahead and throw on your dome cap or spandex cap, and basically just make sure that rim of the cap is like securely around your entire hairline, because this right here is basically like you measuring your wig to fit perfectly to your head. So you want to make sure everything is in place and just, you know, bam bam boom before you start. And next we're gonna go ahead and throw on this wig cap. Now this is the part that we're gonna attempt to do the bald cap. So what I'm gonna do is put that wig cap on, making sure that wig cap is like right on the brim, like around the back. But in the front, I want to go ahead and scoot that wig cap down so I can go ahead and create that like fake scalp bald cap method. So it should look just like that. So where I got that room in the front to do my bald cap. Then as you can see, the back of the wig cap is nicely like lined up with the dome cap. All right, now we're about to go ahead and do our bald cap. I'm gonna use this Got To Be Glue gel, and you just want to put that gel. Oh, this gel getting old. And what we about to do is put this gel like right there on the brim of the wig cap. Not the wig cap, the, what's it called, y'all? The dome cap. Alright, girl, so we on to something. With the closure, you don't have to put that gel, you don't have to take it down like across the whole hairline. If you have a frontal, of course you want to do the whole hairline, but for my closure, I just did it like right where that closure is going to be. I'm not going to cut it yet. I'm going to wait till everything is finished, so when I like go to glue in my tracks on the side, that can all be secure before I cut this cap off. I'll also give it more time to like dry up and everything, and make sure this is going to stick down, because nothing else is going to be holding this cap down but this gel and this spray, this free spray right here. All right, so now it's the simple, easy part. We just gluing the tracks in, girl. And for a closure, you just want to go ahead and glue the brim. If this glue will come out, what damn glue? I just bought this. What in the hell? All right, we back. It took me a little minute to get this unclogged, girl. Anyway, you want to go ahead and glue it. Oh, now it's coming out. You want to go ahead and just glue it like right around that perimeter where that, you know, strip of material is. Alright, so this part you want to be careful because you want to make sure you get everything like lined up right where that little jelly streak is. And you want to make sure like the very front of the closure is right on that. Bam. I told y'all closures all 2019. Like, girl, get your So that closure is on there real good, as y'all can see. Now I'm gonna just twist this up and get it out the way. I'm about to take my bundles. I did not co-wash this hair because I honestly like it like this. So I just want to keep that same look. I want to keep that body wave look. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this hair. It's really just like a quick weave, just like, you know, you would regularly do. Put some glue on the tracks, put it on, blow dry it so it can stick. And I also, y'all saw me spray my cap with that freeze spray. Spraying like spritz or like some type of holding spray to your cap helps glue to like adhere to the cap. So I got that extra, you know, adhesiveness going on. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep gluing these tracks until I get all the way up. Just pay attention to like when I do the side parts, because that's the part you really want to be careful on, because you want to get it exactly like right on the, not the wig cap, but on the black cap. You want to make sure your tracks is lined up perfectly to that. You don't get no glue on your skin or none of that, none on your edges, none of that, okay? Even better than my last one. Look at that bald, like, girl, that's a whole scalp. Do y'all see this? Oh yes, I'm telling you, Beauty Forever closures. I didn't even bleach the knots. It's just that powder underneath and that bald cap, and look at that, girl. Now is the take off and the cut off. We're gonna cut off this cap, and yeah, let's see how we did. Okay, got a little stuck to my edge. Just a little bit. Okay, a little bit more. Oh, a little bit. Okay, there we go. Bam, girl. Did y'all see that? Now, I did get a little bit stuck to my edge. I probably went off the cap just a little bit, but nothing crazy. It didn't hurt at all or anything. So yes, wig comes right off, girl. Like, this is the quickest unit ever. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flip this thing inside out. You just want to cut it off right there on the edge. Oh, perfect fit. Yes. Now I'm just gonna cut this lace off. Wow. Oh. Wait a minute. Do y'all see that bald cap come through? I am really happy with this wig. Like, I just created something, y'all. I had just been thinking about this, like, that would be dope, and I just haven't tried it. And so I'm so glad I finally tried it, because this works. This is like the best. Like, this is no melt. no melt at all, and it's nice and tight to my head because it's a removable quick weave. Okay, so removable quick weaves are always going to be like perfect to your head shape, so that way it lays nice and flat. You don't have to do like nothing to this, and just, girl, you got a whole ball cap right there with no, girl, with no attachment, no commitment issues. Like, what? I know I got commitment issues with my wig. Y'all know I like to take it off, but y'all have heard me say, you know, I ain't for that ball cap life. Like, I'm just not. I don't have the time to be sticking stuff to my head. Like, it just be too much. So I think this is like the perfect solution if you want that ball cap, baby, but you don't want to do all that gelling down to your hair. And this is for my wig wearers that like to take it off at night. Hello, holla if you hear me. And this is for the people who don't know how to sew. Girl, this is for everybody. This is for your mama. This is for your granny. This is for Auntie Sue that don't know how to sew, don't know how to do her hair for real. Girl, this is for all of them, okay? Because all you got to do, honey, is know how to put some glue on a track. That's it. There's so many pros to making a quick weave wig, a removable wig, okay? Because it's for the beginners that don't do all the measuring. Like, it's just, girl. My last wig, it was great. Y'all saw it. The wig was cute. I was hyped. But I just did have a little issue with like the front part. Like putting concealer there, trying to make sure it was like, you know, looking natural with that line of demarcation and everything. But with this, honey, it's a whole scalp. Like the ball cap, nothing's there. Like nothing at all. Like, as y'all can see though, I'm spraying this hair with water. The hair was just a little bit doing too much, so I just sprayed it with water to get these waves popping. And I still just want that, like, you know, just natural look, like brushed out, like poofy. Beauty Forever just does their thing. Like, I really love their hair. It's always nice and full, as y'all can see. Like, they just got some really quality, affordable hair, and that's what I love about Beauty Forever. Quality. You don't deal with all that tangling. Like, seriously, none of that tangling. It's like soft. Their hair to me just feels like that raw, like raw Indian hair, because it just always so soft and manageable. Like, you, girl, I got some old Beauty Forever hair in the closet, and you can pick up the wig and it's just like, it's sturdy. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up and try to like get this wig styled before I dash out the door. And I'm just gonna like lay my baby hairs. Then my Amber J edge control. Y'all know I love this stuff. Y'all know I live by this stuff. Girl, this edge control gets you right. Oh, look at it. Okay, taking it back to the 90s baby hair. I might put a little bit too much baby hair. What, Tiara? What is this? Final look. I sprayed it and scrunched it. I didn't put any product in it. So this is the pattern, girl. No product, no nothing in this. Like, girl, this just Beauty Forever is back. Like, I am so in love with their hair. Like, I did off camera end up plucking some hair out of my part, and I just put concealer down my part to make it pop a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? I need a little pop, a little extra something, especially since I didn't bleach my knots. I kind of wanted to, you know, bring out like the scalp look a little more, so that's what I did for that. And yeah, that is it, girl. I'm like really in love with this. This is gonna be half of my birthday hair, you know what I'm saying? My birthday is next week. Team Aries. If I got some Aries, comment down below. Aries takeover, Aries season. Okay, happy birthday to all of us. And yeah, so this is gonna be like my little half of a week birthday hair until I get like my hair done, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be my little pre-birthday wig, so y'all would definitely be seeing this in the turn up vlogs. Make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel, TiaraJTV. Y'all see this wig in action, see it shaking all over the place, okay? So yeah, remember, check those links down below to see all the Beauty Forever information. Get your birthday hair popping, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, girl.